I'm making this new video because I got more ingredients and I think the right ingredients, because the other video that I made with the chocolate milk is just a mess. It's a wale. So same procedure, we're just gonna beat the eggs. Just put in a little bit of salt. You can use salt and pepper. Oops, I think I missed the ingredients that I need to use. Here's the milk. Duh. Let's do this again. So we're gonna add in the evaporated milk to the beaten eggs. And I think this is way better than using the chocolate milk. You just keep on stirring it. Drizzle a little bit of water just to make sure the pan is already hot and ready to go. And then we're gonna add in a butter or margarine, whatever you want. Let's do a fact check. According to Google, this is actually named after Joseph French. He created the dish in 1724. FYI. Oh yeah, milk works better with the eggs. You can see it's brown now. It's gonna be crunchy. It's gonna be good. I'm gonna be adding some shredded cheese. This is what's available for me right now, but you can use any sliced cheese, or you can put some Parmesan cheese if you want. Any cheese you like. I hear the little bit of crunch, so it's all ready now. It's now ready to serve, so I normally just cut it in half just to see if the cheese actually melted and it's all good. Yep, it's all good. Seems like I'm forgetting some things. I forgot to put in my syrup, but I can put it after, so I'm putting it right now. Of course, I'm putting in my berries. It's still the berry season. So here it is, the new version of my French toast. Enjoy!